In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download songs in Mureka AI step by step. First, head over to the Mureka AI website and sign into your account. If you're new to the platform, simply choose the sign up option, create your account, verify your email if needed, and then log in. Once you're inside, you'll be able to access your music projects and save tracks. After logging in, go to your music area. Depending on the current version of the platform, this may be called Library, My Songs, or Projects. Browse through your available tracks, find the song you want to download, and open that project so you can view its details. Before downloading anything, make sure the song has fully finished generating. This is important because some tracks may still be processing in the background. Look for signs such as a completed status, a visible play button, or a message showing that processing has finished. Next, preview the song by clicking play. Take a moment to listen carefully so you can confirm everything sounds right before saving it to your device. Pay attention to the audio quality, the lyrics, if your track includes vocals, the instrumental arrangement, and the overall sound of the final result. Once you're happy with the track, look for the download option on the song page. Depending on the interface, this might be labeled download, export, save audio, or shown as a download icon. The wording can vary slightly, so just look for the option that lets you save the audio file. If Mureka AI gives you format choices, select the one you want. Common options may include MP3, WAV, or other high-quality audio formats. In general, MP3 is convenient for everyday use, while WAV is often better if you want higher audio quality for editing or production. Keep in mind that some export options may only be available on certain plans. You may also be able to choose the download quality, such as standard, high quality, or lossless. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the song. Now go ahead and click download or export. Mureka AI will prepare the file and begin downloading it to your device. When the download is complete, locate the file on your device. On Windows, check your Downloads folder. On Mac, open Finder and go to Downloads. On mobile, look in your Downloads folder or Files app. If you want to stay organized, you can rename the file with a clear and descriptive title so it's easier to find later. At this point, your song is ready to use in projects like videos, podcasts, presentations, social content, or personal creations. Just make sure to review Mureka AI's current licensing terms before publishing or distributing your track. If your project includes alternate versions, instrumentals, remixes, or different vocal styles, you can also download those additional versions as needed.